Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In the short tutorial, I will discuss about how to fix low call volume problem on your iPhone on iOS devices. So guys, if you are facing this problem, so in this video I will teach you 4 to 5 solutions about this. I hope after watching my video your problem will be solved. So guys, first of all open setting application on your iPhone and find out sound and haptics. Here guys, click on it, and now guys make sure your volume on 100% and turn on this feature. Now go back from here and see the next solution is click on accessibility and scroll down and tap on touch, and then scroll down and call audio retention. So make sure it's automatic selected. So after checking this, go back, and now go back from here. Now scroll down and hearing devices, click on it, and make sure hearing add compatibility is turn off, not is turn on. Turn off this feature. Now go back and scroll down, and here is guys audio and visual. Now scroll until end and turn off phone noise cancellation, because the main issue of your low call volume on your iPhone. So after that, also see the next solution. Here is general and software update is available. Now update your software. You can see a page again. I have available software. I will update my iPhone on tonight. So go back, see the next solution is here is face ID and passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode, and now guys scroll down and you can see attention aware feature. Simply turn off this feature. Make sure it's a turn off, not is turn on. And now guys again go back and now click on general, scroll down the last solution, transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset, tap on reset all settings. Guys, don't worry, don't lose any kind of data. Enter your iPhone passcode, and after entering passcode your iPhone will be all reset setting. So after doing this setting your problem will solve. I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel.